Now, if you know so, then you know so. It's the no show.
Your breath smell like dildo.
Oh, what it smell like this? Huh?
I love the hat.
Oh,
Love
you like
the
that?
hat.
That's exclusive. I got that from Gucci.
Bucci. It's raining outside and
What is that in your trunk?
Yeah.
Pop that bitch.
I came to capture the crew, doing what they do best, making a hustle in the rain. Gotta finish the job by all means necessary. Had to pick up some Sackcrete for the pavers. Want to see it? Here it goes.
You're on camera.
You know, all walks of life, we try to get it done.
Mm-hmm.
You know, from masonry to landscaping to plumbing, we gonna do it.
I know that's right. Would you like to share with the world what you're doing, sir? First of all, what is your name, sir?
Hi, my name is Leonard Austin, aka Nard the Guy. Right now, I'm about to put this paver set down so we can get these cracks full. But I extended the driveway for a fellow friend.
Okay.
Yep.
So how long have you been doing work like this?
About 5 years.
What? So what got you into this work?
My granddad, really.
Oh my goodness. That's a beautiful thing.
Oh yeah, wonderful thing. You know, hard to make money when you sit at home.
That is definitely true.
All right, keep going. Go forward, just a hair. A little bit. In fact, I said a little bit. Back up. Come on. Come on. Oh. Back up just a little bit more. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, put the brake on. Put the phone on the brake. Put the brake on hard. Put the phone on brake.
Hello, Mr. Rodney. How are you doing?
Hello, Joey. How you doing? My bad for not speaking.
Oh no, you're fine. You working. You working. How are you?
Pretty good, pretty good.
What is your name?
Victor, it's nice to meet you. I met you before. What's saying? You remember?
Okay, so what you doing out here?
Turn up for the boat show.
Oh my goodness. Well, it's great to see you again. Any words for the world?
Yep, you're right.
Oh my goodness.
Look at me. Yeah, nigga. What you thought? All trades. We do it all. Plumber, huh? But you know? Huh? Huh? As soon as you go full time. As soon as you go full time.
Amen.
Somebody keep putting that on me.
Amen.
Back up. Just a little bit. Look like it looks right now. We're on top.
Well,
Well, I'm saying the brick look
the
clean.
brick gonna look like it looked when you first pulled up. Especially since we get this rain. You see?
I got some big bags of polymer chain.
I was hoping they had the bags. I asked you what size they had. You said 40 pound and 80 pound.
The bucket stuff that Rodney's taking a picture of.
Oh, see?
I didn't know I could have got the bag. I would have got the bag. That's all right. We tried.